Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to talk about like how you can make more money by selling less. So please make sure you stay till the end. And also, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin, and I'll be documenting my affiliate marketing journey on this channel. And also, I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, how to create sales funnel, and email marketing. So if you are interested, please hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Also, before I actually talk about today's topic, please be sure to check out the Work with Sebastian program that is created by my mentor Sebastian Gomez. This is one of the baddest affiliate program you're gonna ever see, because you get to promote high ticket and recurring commission programs, and also you're gonna get all the resources that you need. And coming back to today's topic, like when I say how to make more money by selling less doesn't mean that you need to pitch less. I didn't mean it that way. What I meant by selling less is like you want to choose a product that has high ticket offers in it, because I really want to focus on high ticket offers in today's video. Because what happens with high ticket, and why you want to choose high ticket offers, is because there are various reasons. Number one is like you're gonna make that profit, a huge profit. That is number one, and because it will help you grow your business much faster compared to low ticket or mid tickets offers. And one more next thing is like you get very less people, because and more serious people in order to work with, because you don't want to get messages from or calls from your clients every 3 minutes checking on your ad spend on other stuff. Like you don't want to have that chaos in your life. But with high ticket, what happens, like you get very less people, but that has actually very those are very more serious people, and you can work you can provide your services in a much efficient way, rather than with having a lot of people. So this is one of the this is advantage. And one more advantage is like with high ticket, what happens, like you can scale your business at a much faster rate. Like what I meant by that is like if you're earning $500 every single month, you want to invest some amount or some percentage of that money back into the business, maybe in paid advertisement or any other software that you want to use. But with high ticket, what happens, like if you're making $1,000 or $2,000 per sale, you can take some amount of money from that profit, and you can reinvest in your business. So you're growing your business at a much higher rate. So these are some of the major advantages of high ticket affiliate marketing. That's why you get to sell less and you can make more money. And talking about more about this is like you can do this in 3 different ways. Number one point is like you can create your own high ticket product or offer. So it could be like if you're an expert in trading, or you know much about stock market, you can create a course on that, and you can sell it at a high price. Definitely you want to create a product that can match that value, so that you need to over deliver, like you can provide that support. So this is number one step. Like if you're expert in some area, like you want to create an course like info product, and you can sell it at a higher price. And this is step number one. And step number two is like if you are you can also go for consulting. Consulting is also has major role in high ticket offers, because there are people like who needs help, like one-on-one coaching, or it could be happening in every niche. Like consulting is a very broad thing, and everybody, this is you have a lot of opportunities in consulting. For example, if you're expert in any area, let's consider talk an example, like if somebody, you know how to talk to somebody like who is in a depression, like you want to, how you can help them to come out of that. And if you are expert in that area, you can create one-on-one sessions with them, and people are ready to buy high ticket offers from you. So consulting can be applied to any business. Like if you're expert in any area of expertise, like you can provide your consulting to your clients. This is step number two. And you may have by this time you may have this question like I don't feel like I have enough experience or enough knowledge in order to create that product, or like in order to sell that product. Like I'm not confident enough to deliver that value for which I'm charging the money, high ticket money. In that case, I would highly recommend you go for affiliate marketing. So if you don't know what is affiliate marketing is, like you're basically you're gonna get paid for anybody you refer. Like the product owner is gonna make the he's gonna give you some percentage of the commission for the product that he's selling, and as affiliate marketing you need to promote that product to all, but you don't have to take care of the fulfillment and the support and all other stuff. It's all the headache of the product owner. All you need to do is just focus on marketing. So if you know somebody like whose product is actually going to help people, and he's ready to give some cut, like if you refer someone to him, like that's the best golden opportunity for you. I would highly recommend, if you don't have a product, or you don't know how to create a product, or if you don't feel confident enough to talk to somebody over a particular topic, if you doubt yourself in order to delivering that product, definitely go for high ticket offers. Maybe in the long run, like once you have that confidence, and you can create your own, come up with your own product, and then you can sell it. That should be your goal. And so with affiliate marketing, like you need to be very sure, like whatever product that you're going to choose must have value, and it should solve their problem. So that also is one of the major part when I'm talking about like sell more and sell less and make more money. Like you want to sell the product that has the most value and actually help your buyers actually solve their problem. You don't want to sell any crappy product. Like I have seen many people, I've been too personally, like initially I was promoting products from ClickBank or AVZ. I'm not saying like those are bad products. I don't know them basically because I haven't personally used them. So it was like I was not able to pass that conviction to my buyers in order to buy that. But when you want to promote a high ticket product, like when you have personally experienced it, and if you feel like that product is gonna actually help that person, definitely you want to choose such a product, and it will never fail you, trust me. So I hope you got and also if you want to, like once you choose the product, like there is another topic like traffic. Like you can choose whichever platform you want, and maybe you can add a value ladder. Like initially you sell this product, again you can offer more services in order to increase the price. That's a value ladder. And traffic strategies, that's a different topic. Maybe I'll record another video for them. So I hope you got an idea on this, like how you can, why you should go for high ticket affiliate marketing or high ticket offers, your own products or offers. So if you are at this stage, you are watching this video, and if you have no idea like where to get started with high ticket offers, my mentor Sebastian Gomez has created a program that is Work with Sebastian, where he is providing marketing services to various clients, and he charges premium prices. And you get, with this program you get an opportunity to promote those offers for them. And also with this program you are also going to get all the training that is required to be successful in high ticket of affiliate marketing, and also all the resources that you need in order to be successful. So everything is covered in this training, so please be sure to check that out, and I'm sure you won't regret the decision for going for that program. I wish you luck, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you on the next one.